everyone!
Hey everyone!
Welcome back to the channel.
Today we are going on our first international trip together, which is Hong
Kong! Woohoo!
So we're here at NAIA Terminal 3 and we just got past security, and right now we are heading to our gate here in Terminal 3. So
Yes.
how are you feeling about this trip?
I'm super excited because this is going to be my first international trip with Gabe and also my first international trip ever in my entire life.
And I'm so excited to share that experience with Sam, and it's also my first time in Hong Kong as well. So stay tuned for all the shopping that we're gonna do and all the food that we're gonna eat. We're now heading to our gate, which is gate 114 here in Terminal 3. We're in Hong Kong. We finally made it to Hong Kong, and we're now here at the airport. And it's been, as with all travel, a little bit hectic.
Bumpy.
Yeah, we had troubles with our eSIM because we couldn't find our eSIM.
We were able to have our US dollars exchanged for Hong Kong dollars and we got our octopus card.
So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the Airport Express train to the city. I think the city itself.
There's a panda.
And there's a panda over there. How are you? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling nervous.
Feeling nervous?
It's my first time in another country.
Your first time in another country,
Yeah.
and
it's a pretty surreal experience.
Yeah.
We're taking the train, right?
yeah, we're taking the train.
Okay.
Let's head over there.
Let's pray that Gabe knows his directions well because I'm only relying on his expertise in directions.
Yeah.
I have no idea
Where we're
I'm
going. I did see that this goes to the Airport Express. This one goes from the airport to Hong Kong, and we're gonna take this Yuen line. It's the central line.
This movie. And then this. We're going backwards. I didn't realize.
It's okay. We just exited the Airport Express and we're now going to exit. How do you feel? It was
Excited
fast.
again.
Excited, and that was fast. All
That
right.
was fast.
So we're heading over there and we have to scan our QR code. We're now past the Airport Express and we're gonna go to the Yuen Wan.
Where is that Suan one?
We gotta go to this elevator. We're now doing our octopus card. Tap up. We'll do it. Insert it here. And when you insert it, it will tell you your current balance. And then you can enter a 50 or 100 HKD bill. Now you have 150. Then you press this button to get
Release
back
the card.
your octopus card. There.
There.
Perfect.
Perfect.
So this is the train. We're currently here in Central. We have to go to Sim Sa Choi. I think you just scan it on the
Or tap.
scan QR code. Oh, here, octopus at the top. It says octopus here. You tap it at the top. There you go. And then my turn. Tap it like that. And I'm in. Let's go. It's like a lot of people.
Yeah, there's a lot of people and everybody knows where they're going.
Yeah.
Except for the two of us.
Except for the two of us.
Where
We're
are we going?
Completely lost about where to go. But we're gonna go here to the red line.
You guys, we made it.
We made it to the K11.
We made it to K11 Art Mall.
We're going to our hotel, which is the Hyatt Regency Sim Sa Choi.
We
So,
made it.
we're trying to find a way how to go there. So the signs are over there.
There's so many sights to see.
We're here in Hong Kong. So
And
happy.
it's cold.
We just dropped off our bags at the Hyatt Regency TSC, and at the moment we're hungry, so we're gonna go to a chaan, which is like a a eatery,
Mm-hmm.
local eatery. And yeah, what do you feel about we're
I
here?
love the weather here. I
Mhm.
feel like this is the perfect kind of weather for a lot of Gabe's outfits that he likes to wear.
Not
Is this
just
how cold it is in New York
during fall
during
weather.
fall?
Yeah,
But what about now?
fall weather, like fall
Okay.
weather. You would wear like sweaters, like what we're wearing, or a light
I
jacket.
can survive New York
You
in this
can, you
outfit.
can. Yeah, so I think we're just taking things one thing at a time. There's just way too much to see, and obviously we're not going to be
Yeah.
able to see everything. Look at how high the buildings are.
Yeah.
Check out this mural at the K11 Art Mall here in Sintachoy. Here's Sam together with the mural. We're trying to
Ooh,
what is
black
that?
truffle scrambled eggs milk tea.
Ooh.
Sounds interesting.
Maybe we'll come back for the black truffle.
scrambled eggs milk tea. What does that taste
I
like?
don't know. I want to try it.
Successfully ordered our first meal in Hong Kong.
By pointing at the menu. Yeah, it's
Very fast paced in this restaurant. Kind of intimidating.
intimidating, and also we were seated right in front of two other people.
What did we order? We ordered
The Kaya French toast, the scallion chicken fillet with onions, and two
two
of
of
the
these.
traditional Fong.
This is the best milk tea I've ever tasted in Hong Kong.
Hong Kong milk tea. Mine's very good. So we just ate at Fong Yuen, and it was so fast paced, but the food was so good.
Yeah, we couldn't record as much as we wanted to.
So now we're gonna go to Bakehouse, which is they specialize in sourdough egg tarts.
Yes.
And we're gonna get one each, and we're gonna go to the Kowloon Park.
One each or just one for the two of
This one
us?
for two of us, actually.
Okay, I was asking
Wait lang.
Gabe
Ah.
if there's like a slow-paced version or place in Hong Kong.
Yeah.
Seems like everywhere we go to, like everyone's like in a hurry. Going up this very steep ramp.
Yeah, it's burning our legs
Enough for us to eat our world famous egg tart.
by Bakehouse.
Look at that.
I know, look at that.
It's so cute.
This little, what does it say?
Okay, we weren't following that. Sorry.
Oh, my bad.
Give us your best pose. Wow.
Show me your happiest pose in the Kowloon Park. That's your favorite pose all the time.
Because it's Pinterest worthy.
Okay. This is the perfect time to just reset.
Yeah.
It's been such a fast-paced day. We haven't even checked into our hotel yet.
Only
because-
1 o'clock p.m. Wow.
Oh, look at this.
Look at
It says
that.
danger deep water.
Danger deep water.
Yeah.
Doesn't look very deep.
Okay, don't go there. Hey guys, so we're now here at Kowloon Park. We found not a bench, but a stone seat.
Yeah.
Yeah, so now we're gonna try our bakehouse. So the bakehouse egg tarts looks like that. Look at that. You can see.
Taste test.
I'm hungry.
Wow.
Whoa.
With mango. That's really good. Oh my
Okay,
god,
good.
I wanna take home like a box of 12 of these.
This one. Hmm.
I give it a
This
10 over
one.
10
This one is so wonderful. Oh my god. It's like egg tarts at like elevated.
with leche flan inside.
Yeah. I
Tastes
think it's
like
the
that.
sourdough. There's a little bit of
Yeah, a
like
little bit of salty
something.
something.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, hello. Would you kindly show us around our hotel room here in the Hyatt Regency 60
In Hong Kong.
in Hong Kong?
Please come in. But first, I'd like to show you our beautiful bathroom. So we don't have a bathtub, but we have a huge shower area, and then the toilet area is over there. And then our sink doesn't have a his and hers, but it's spacious enough for the both of us. We have a full-sized mirror, and here's us letting you admire our outfits for our first night in Hong Kong. And then, welcome to our room. This is our king-sized bed. We've already like lied down on it, and it's perfect and very soft. And then this is our work table,
Makeshift work table.
but we won't be using it because we'll be out most of the day anyway. That's the TV. And then this is how much we packed for Hong Kong. We have an extra luggage here for stuff that we want to buy and also be able to bring home to the Philippines. And this is our view of Hong Kong. So as you can see, there's lots of buildings here and there. And if you turn to your right, you can see like a kind of city far away. Beautiful city skyline. We also have a red couch. Oh, my tights are the same color.
Simple, but absolutely just the right space. What haven't we shown? Well, this cup noodles that's kind of expensive, and
I think our wardrobe.
Well, we just have this closet space over here with some bathrobes
And my towel.
and towel. Oh, and you also didn't see a leather. There's like a leather. There's like a leather pouch over there.
Yeah, that stores our hotel slippers and the laundry bag. We have a very long mirror,
Yeah.
which is perfect because Gabe and I like to see what our outfits look like before we go out and about. We are going to the train station.
To go to Central, to go to the Armoury, and drop 93 to shop at the Armoury.
Yes.
And yeah, we're so excited. This is basically the main purpose of the trip, and we're wearing our special outfits.
And guys, can I just say it's really, really cold right now. It got like 10 times colder.
Yeah.
Because it is 5 p.m.
Yeah.
So I'm kind of scared how cold it will be like by 7 or so.
Well, we'll figure it out when the time comes.
I'll just have Gabe lend me his coat.
Yeah. we're trying to find our way to the Armoury, and we're easily so distracted with everything.
This feels like the New York of Hong Kong.
Yeah, this is literally the central. That's why it's called central.
Yeah. It's
And
like full of buildings and big stores.
big stores and expensive stores.
Hermes.
Like this Hermes store that we're passing by.
Yeah.
We're approaching the Feather Arcade. This is where the Armoury is located. It's in this building. We're there. The tall building. And there's the Armoury and Armoury Study, where if you're into cigars, you can do that. There's also Kaneko, which is a nice glasses shop. Okay, guys, we're about to enter the Feather Arcade, where the Armoury is. Are you ready?
We got lost.
We got lost, but now we're heading over there now.
Hopefully it's the right floor.
Yeah. Oh my god. This is an event. This is the Armoury.
The whole thing?
This one. Here.
Okay. Are we allowed to film?
I think so. Bag secured from the Armoury. We got our new loafers and we're now heading to Drop 93, which is like a discount Armoury. And this closes in an hour and we're
in a rush.
We're in a rush. We'll take the Star Ferry back to Tim Cha Choi from Central. We're just talking about how beautiful it is in Hong Kong.
Yeah, like the nightlife is buzzing here.
Yeah, everyone's awake and still going to their location. So we're gonna take the Star Ferry and I'll show you guys what that looks like. Check out the line here at the Star Ferry.
This is the rush hour.
Yeah.
Everyone's like
Everyone's trying to rush
into the boat. Good morning, Hong Kong.
Currently our second day here in Hong Kong. Today we're going to be going to the Peak Tram, or we're going to be riding the Peak Tram up to Victoria Peak to take some photos and see a good view of the Hong Kong skyline. Later, I think we're going to go to either Mongkok for shopping or maybe Causeway Bay for more shopping as well.
Yes.
So yeah, we're gonna head to the MTR station at Team Satroy and we're gonna go to Admiralty and we're gonna walk to the Peak Tram. So we're gonna go to the Peak Tram. We have a Ruby Pass, so we're gonna skip the line and we're gonna go straight up and we're gonna go to Sky 365 for photos. Just a quick stop at the souvenir shop. Sam already saw what she wanted, which is a panda magnet.
A panda magnet. This one has a butt. Panda has a butt.
Sam also wanted this pineapple bun. Check out this. Check out this pineapple bun, guys.
This one is a shomai, right?
That's a pineapple bun. Oh yeah,
It's like a dim sum.
It's a dim sum, man.
So cute. I think we should buy at least one fridge magnet in the future when we have our own apartment or place, and we can display like all of the places we went to. Like this one. I think I want like one of these smiley magnets.
These ones. We're exiting right now. We're heading to the Peak Gallery over there for some coffee. So then afterwards, we're gonna go to Sky Terrace 365 for some photos. Hey guys, so we're here at Sky Terrace.
Peak.
Yeah, the peak of Hong Kong. And we're just taking photos. And how do you feel about this?
I love the view. I wish I could stay here forever.
Yeah. I told Sam it feels like we are Hong Kong is living in 2060 or 2300, year 3000. Who's that?
It's my new friend, Pablo.
Thanks, Pablo.
I was telling Gabe I'm not even tired.
Yeah, even if we're walking, we walked 24,000 steps yesterday. And today is probably gonna be another one like that. Right now, we're still here at the Peak. We just finished our photo shoot at Sky Terrace. And we're gonna go get some coffee and halfway coffee.
Yes, there's something about the breeze or the air of Hong Kong that's, you know, a cold atmosphere that doesn't make me easily tired.
Yeah.
Whenever Gabe and I walk around in Makati for just 16 minutes,
Yeah.
we're already tired. But this one, I don't think we'll ever be able to do a 24,000
In
step
the Philippines. We're currently here in like the Mongkok area, just for the pineapple bun.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought we were going here for the night market or...
Yeah, we are as well. We're shopping
Okay.
as well. So, yeah, we'll Let's try out the pineapple bun and see what that looks like. Are you excited?
Yes.
Checking out a random store.
This is a
Looks like
cardigan.
HKD 120 or 20, sorry, 20 HKD. I found a place that Sam really likes shopping. Maybe the Hong Kong bag, but Sam found a jacket. Sweet, looks like a suede jacket. Get out. For 100 HKD. Pineapple bun
Secured.
secured. Okay. We found a place to eat our pineapple bun.
Yes.
Mongkok is entirely different than Central or PST. It's very much like a night market like atmosphere. Here's Sam trying the pineapple bun.
See that?
It's butter and pineapple.
Yeah, I feel like I just got the crust part.
Okay, we'll get the one with the butter.
Mmm. So good.
What are the notes of this butter?
Pineapple and butter.
I taste the butter. Welcome to the ladies' market.
They have cute socks.
What's that?
They have cute socks.
Ah. Very secured.
Yeah. I think I
Very-
want the soft berry type.
Hey guys, it's day number 3 and we are going to Hong Kong Disneyland today.
So excited. It's our first time in any Disneyland. And we just want to ride all the rides as much as possible. And we're going to take the MTR, which takes like an hour to get there. And here's our outfit with our...
Yeah, this is the first time I've wrapped myself in 3 layers. So I have my top, and then I have a cardigan on, and then I have this jacket on because it's so cold.
Me, I just have a waterproof jacket. So, let's go.
Let's go!
Guys, we're in Disneyland.
We're in Disneyland right now. And we just got past the long line.
Yeah, very long line. Actually, there's still a line outside for security, and then we had to go through another line for our tickets.
All these people are here on a weekday, and there's still a long line of people coming from there. Look at this. Here you leave today and enter the world of yesterday. What does that mean?
What does that mean? Here you leave today and enter the world of yesterday. So we're being transported in time.
What's that? It's 2% off. All stars in the park before 1 o'clock.
Okay, what is this?
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh my god, it's my Fall Guys cap, Baba. This one is my Fall Guys cap. I was telling Gabe that I wanted a little something from this place just to remember our memory here. And we checked the caps and the headbands. The headbands were worth 249
HKD.
HKD.
Which is like 1,000 plus pesos. 1,
Please walk to your first destination. Thank you and have a magical day.
Everybody's moving, so let's get moving. Follow the crowd.
Why is everyone running to go there?
I don't know, Adventureland.
Let's go.
We're taking a break after 2 rides.
We rode the Frozen Ever After, World something Ever After, and also the Hyperspace Mountain.
The Frozen one, I didn't expect to cry, but I actually cried.
I also cried. I'm just so happy to be here with Sam and experiencing Hong Kong Disneyland for the first time. What we did was we wanted the thrill of a roller coaster, so we went to Hyperspace Mountain, which is a Star Wars themed roller coaster in the dark.
In the dark, yeah.
And that was the most intense experience.
It's a Minnie Mouse.
Taste test the popcorn. Already.
So good.
Welcome to Mystic Manor. 歡迎大家嚟到迷你大宅 home to a world-class collection of art, antiquities, and my personal residence.
Welcome to our last full day here in Hong Kong, and we're currently here at the Citygate Outlets in Tung Chung to do some outlet shopping in Citygate Outlets.
Hopefully, we can get a good deal for Coach bags or Kate Spade bags because
Yeah.
I love those bags.
And for me, I'm looking for Polo Ralph Lauren, or I think there's a Marni here as well.
It's our last day in Hong Kong and it's 7:20 a.m. right now. We decided to wake up early so that we can spend our last few hours here in Hong Kong properly.
We also love our time here in Hong Kong so much that we were telling each other that we don't want to leave Hong Kong anymore. We're gonna leave early at 7 a.m. because we love Hong Kong. We want to squeeze as much time as possible here in this wonderful, wonderful country. we're about to check out of our hotel here in Hong Kong, and we'd just like to thank everyone for watching and for supporting Sam and I in our journey here in Hong Kong.
Don't forget to like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and also if you haven't yet, please help grow our channel and click on the subscribe button. So, till our next journey together.